Good morning, students. In previous class you have learnt about money, that is notes and coins. In today's class let us learn more about it. See here in page number 77, add the value of each coin and note. What is the cost of each item? Here few items have given and here notes and coins are also given. We have to add all the notes and coins and we have to find out how much this item cost. Here ice cream is there and here this is the symbol of rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. Here let us see the cost of ice cream. 5 rupees, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee note, 10 rupee note. Let us add all these notes and coins. 10 plus 10, 20 rupees, 20 rupees plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30 rupees. 30 rupees. The cost of ice cream is 30 rupees. Next, here peanut. Peanut is given. Let us see how much this cost. Here 10 rupee note and another 10 rupee note. 10 rupees plus 10 rupees, 20 rupees. The cost of peanut is 20 rupees. Next, here popcorn is given and we have to find out the cost of a popcorn. Here see, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, 10 rupees plus 2 rupees, 12 rupees, 12 plus 2, 14 rupees, 14 plus 1, 15 rupees. The cost of popcorn is 15 rupees. Next, we have to find out the cost of sandwich. See here. 10 rupees plus 5 rupees, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 1, 18 rupees. The cost of sandwich is 18 rupees. Next, the cost of milk is 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25 rupees. Now, see next page. Circle the notes and coins to get the sum equal to the cost of the item. Here we have to circle the notes and coins which is equal to the cost given in the question. See here, sugar. One item is there, that is sugar. Sugar cost rupees 17. So we have to circle here 17 rupees. See here, 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupee, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee coins is given. We want 17 rupees. So see here, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 15 plus 2, 17. So circle this 3 coins. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 2, 17. Next, here the cost of tea is given, that is rupees 41. Cost of tea is rupees 41. So we have to circle 41 rupees. Here see, 20 plus 10. 20 rupee note, 10 rupees. Here 10 rupee coin, again 10 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. So we want 41 rupees. So here 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40. We got here 40 rupees and 141. Next, the cost of dal is rupees 35. And here notes are given 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, again 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. So let us see first 30. 20 plus 10, 30 rupees and 5, 35 rupees. Next, here basmati rice is given rupees 49. The cost of rice we have to circle here. 49 here, 100 rupee note, 20 rupee, 20 rupees, here 10 rupee, 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. See here, 40 we have to circle now first. 20 plus 20, 40 rupees over. Next 9 rupee. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 20 plus 20, 40 plus 9. Next, how many coins make rupees 50? Here some dashes are given. Dash coins of rupees 5 make rupees 50. See how many coins of rupees 5 we want to make rupees 50. That is 10 coins. 10 fives are 50. Next, dash coins of rupee 1 make 50. So, how many coins we want? 50. 50 ones are 50. Here, dash coins of rupee 2 make rupee 50. Here, 25 coins of rupee 2 make 50. See here, 2 fives are 10, carry 1. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 50. Next, dash coins of rupee 10 make 50. That is 5 coins. 5 tens are 50. Next, see. Look at the price of each item. Here, few items have given. We have to see the price of this. Circle the rupee note you will give to buy it. How much money will you get back? Here notes are also given. We have to see how many amount we will get back after giving this amount. See here, the apple is given how much rupees? Rupees 15. Here 10 rupee note is there and 20 rupee note is there. To a shopkeeper we will give 20 rupee note. In 20 rupee note he will take 15 rupees. And how much money he will pay back to us? See, 20 minus 15, 5 rupees. Money received back, how much we will get back? 5 rupees. See here is a box given, that cost is rupees 39. So here 50 rupee note is there and 20 rupee note is there. We will not give 20 rupees note. For rupees 39, we will give 50 rupee note for rupees 39. See, after giving 50 rupees to a shopkeeper, he will take 39. And how much money he will pay back to us? See, borrow here. 1, 11. Next, here banana cost rupee 8. So here 10 rupee note is there and 5 rupee note is there. Which note will you give to a shopkeeper? Yes, very good. You will give rupees 10. After giving rupees 10, how much amount he will give you back? That is rupees 2. Next, here Ratan International School has organized a food fest. Class 2 put up a stall of Delhi chat. Look at the menu chart and answer the questions. Here menu chart is given. See here, what is there in the menu chart? See Delhi chat. In that, papdi chat is rupees 20, mixed chat is rupees 25, dahi puri is rupees 15, sev puri is rupees 15, dahi vada chat is rupees 25, bel 15, chutney puri rupees 15. So here few questions are given. So we have, let us see. Tanushri bought dahi puri. She gave 20 rupees. How much amount did she get back? Tanushri, a girl, she bought dahi puri. See, dahi puri how much? It cost 15 rupees. Dahi puri cost 15 rupees. She gave 20. Here dahi puri cost 15 rupees. So, how much amount she will get back? 20 minus 15? 5 rupees. Next, Neena had dahi vada chat. Neena is a girl. She bought dahi vada chat. She gave 30 rupees. How much amount did she get back? How much amount she gave? 30 rupees she gave. She bought dahi vada. Let us see dahi vada. Dahi vada cost 25 rupees. So 30 minus 25, 5. She will get rupees 5 back. Remaining you have to solve and send me for the correction. Next, see here. Rupees and paise. See, we write rupees and paise together as, see, 1.25. It means here dot is there, no? This dot will separate paises and rupees. Here right side, this one are paise and it is rupee. 1.25. We write, how we will read? 1 rupee 25 paise. See here, few examples are also given. 12.05. It means, how we have to read? 12 rupees and 5 paise. Here rupee symbol is there, no? So 12 rupees and 50 paise. Here in paise place no numbers are there, 0 0, no? So only 15 rupees. See here, write rupees and paise in words or figures. Here see, 1 rupee and 75 paise. We have to write in words here. Here, this is the symbol of rupees 7.50. How we will read? 7 rupees 50 paise. We have to write here the same. 7 rupees 50 paise. Rest you have to solve. Next here, see here, 7 rupee and 0 paise are given. Rupees 7.00. 65 rupees. Rupees 65 and how many paise? 5 paise. 05 paise. 30 rupees and 10 paise. Rupees 30, 10 paise.